Imagine a weapon that travels at the speed of light, costs pennies per shot, and never runs out of ammunition. This isn't science fiction, it's China's LY-1 laser air defense system, and it might be about to change warfare forever. The LY-1, developed by China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, is a high-energy laser weapon designed for air defense. It targets drones, missiles, and aircraft using a focused laser beam that travels at the speed of light. Here's how it works. Advanced sensors detect incoming threats. Fire control computers calculate targeting in milliseconds. Then the laser fires a concentrated beam that heats targets to thousands of degrees, causing structural failure or detonating warheads. The entire process takes just seconds. Unlike traditional interceptors costing millions per shot, the LY-1 costs roughly $10 to $100 per engagement. It's literally powered by electricity. Why is this revolutionary? 3 key advantages. First, cost. Patriot missiles cost $3 to $7 million each. Iron Dome interceptors cost $80,000. The LY-1? Under $100 per shot. Second, speed. Light travels at 300 million meters per second. The fastest missiles max out at Mach 5, roughly 1,700 meters per second. No comparison. Third, unlimited ammunition. As long as you have power, you can keep firing. No reloading, no supply chains, no storage limits. The system can engage multiple targets rapidly, making it perfect for countering drone swarms or missile barrages that would overwhelm traditional defenses. This could fundamentally change warfare. Air superiority, the cornerstone of modern military strategy, becomes questionable when expensive fighter jets face cheap, lightning-fast ground defenses. Naval warfare changes too. Ships could defend against anti-ship missiles without depleting ammunition stores. Ground forces get protection against artillery and air attacks. But there are limitations. Weather is the big one. Rain, fog, and dust significantly reduce effectiveness. These systems also require massive power generation and work best at shorter ranges, typically under 20 kilometers. We're seeing a new arms race. The US has Iron Beam and Helios. Israel has operational laser defenses. Russia claims similar capabilities. If China exports this technology, regional power balances could shift dramatically. The LY-1 represents a potential paradigm shift. We're looking at weapons that are faster, cheaper, and more sustainable than anything before. Future versions could be mobile, more powerful, and AI integrated. This technology could make traditional air doctrines obsolete, but it also creates new vulnerabilities and tactical considerations.
The deployment of such systems could fundamentally alter the balance of power, especially against adversaries relying heavily on drone technology. It creates a new defensive shield that drones may find incredibly difficult to penetrate, forcing a rethink of offensive strategies. It's an arms race, not just of weapons, but of innovation. So, what does this mean for the future? The battlefield is becoming increasingly automated and networked. Drones are forcing militaries to adapt at an unprecedented pace, and laser systems offer a glimpse into the next generation of countermeasures. The conflict in Ukraine has shown us the present, and China's laser development hints at the near future, a world where the skies are contested by far more than just traditional aircraft. The evolution of warfare is relentless. Drones proved their disruptive power, and now directed energy weapons like lasers are poised to counter them, setting the stage for an ongoing technological struggle for dominance. One thing is clear, the face of war is changing, and understanding these shifts is crucial for anyone looking at global security.